Next.js is a powerful JavaScript framework designed to enable you to build fast, scalable web applications effortlessly. It integrates seamlessly with React, but to unlock its full potential, we need to adapt our development strategies compared to using just React alone. A frequent misstep is treating Next.js route handlers like traditional REST API endpoints. This can lead to inefficiencies if we use these handlers just to relay data from our Next.js server components. In a traditional setup, such as the MERN stack, React front-end requests are routed through a Node.js and Express REST API. However, Next.js offers a more streamlined approach. With Next.js, our React server components are capable of querying data sources directly, eliminating the need for intermediary requests to route handlers. This direct access reduces latency and mitigates the risk of unexpected build issues. However, Next.js route handlers have their place. They're excellent for processing requests specifically from client-side components. Because these handlers execute server-side, they're perfect for concealing sensitive information, such as environment variables and data source URLs, keeping them hidden from client-side exposure. So remember, utilize route handlers wisely to enhance both security and performance in your Next.js applications. In summary,